It's all too easy to forget about your car's title until it's time to re-register your vehicle and that little piece of paper is nowhere to be found. Don't panic if you've lost your car's title. Here, we'll outline everything you need to do to replace a lost, stolen, or otherwise missing title. The steps you'll need to take to replace a lost car title depend on whether the title is currently in your name. If you own the car outright, meaning the title is in your name only, you'll have to find alternative proof of ownership and your vehicle identification number or VIN. Examples of proof of ownership include a past loan statement or a bill of sale if you can couple it with another form of proof. Show this documentation to the DMV and you'll be issued a replacement title. If you know your title was stolen, call the police to report the theft, then apply for a new title with the DMV using the steps just discussed. Once you're issued a new title, the old one will be void, meaning the thief won't be able to do anything with it. If you have an outstanding loan on your car, meaning the title is currently in your lien holder's name, go right to the lender. They'll have to submit an application for duplicate title and pay the requisite fees themselves. If you're in the process of buying a car from a seller who lost their title, you won't be able to complete your title transfer until they apply for and receive a replacement. If the seller isn't willing to do this, you may consider getting a court order to have a judge award the car to you. Depending on the state where you live, you'll have to fill out different paperwork to apply for a replacement or duplicate title. In most cases, you can complete the application in person or by mail. Now sit tight and wait for your new title to arrive by mail. For more information about your car's title and how to save time and money on car ownership, go to getjerry.com.